Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Shushmita. Today I am going to show you a surprise gift that I got yesterday morning from my special one. And here it is. It was not open yet because I want to share my all happiness with you guys. So let's open this. And here so many makeup brushes, cleanser, makeup brush cleanser and a sponge. It comes in this package. So let's cut it. Here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 pieces makeup brushes. And one is makeup brush cleaner, and last one is a blender sponge. Now let's talk about each and everything's detail. So here is the brushes. Let's open this. All come in a plastic package, that's why it's still safe in the packaging. And here it is, all the 10 brushes. It comes in mainly, it handles comes in wooden base, and its bristles are so soft. So with these all 10 brushes, you can create a seamless and natural application easily. There are so many brushes like foundation brush, eyeshadow brush, blush, then face powder brush and etc. Like this, you can see this. And with these brushes, I will try some makeup in my next videos. That's why I will upload soon in my channel. So till then, stay tuned, please. Come to this brush cleaner. It's mainly silicone based cleaner like this. There are two divisions. Upper one is for small brushes and lower one is for the larger brushes to clean. And how to clean these brushes with this cleaner, then I will show you in my next video. And last one thing is left, that is a blender. So let's open this, and here it is in dual tone. It's a cute thing and I love this. It's so soft and detailed in shape. You can purchase it from Amazon as I am showing you the packaging. And really I don't know about this price, but I will give the link of this in the description section. You will check it so you can purchase easily from it. And I am so happy to get it, and thank you so much. Hope you guys all happy to see it, and I think it a best makeup brushes for professionals and DIY users also. If you like this video, then give a thumbs up for me and my special one, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much guys for watching my videos, and keep supporting guys. Thank you so much.